Hi, and thank you so much for tuning in today's 2-minute video tip by Monique. Now today I would love to show you a piece from a chart that I took from the book Power versus Force by David Hawkins. Now, everything is energy and everything has a certain frequency. According to this chart, you can see courage is at the frequency of 200. Everything below a frequency of 200, like shame or grief or anger, there is where we feel like life is truly a struggle. Everything is hard work. No matter what we do, we can't seem to succeed in life. That is really that's force. That's coming, actually it's coming from a disempowerment kind of state of being versus everything that, you see here above 200, like acceptance or love, peace, even enlightenment. There's where things get easier, we feel well rested, it's safe for us to relax in life, and that is where we truly feel empowered. We use our power. Life flows through our own inner power. So imagine that you would hold the remote control of life in your own hands. What is your choice going to be? Pressing force or pressing your inner power button?